Welcome to English Listening with Bonnie channel. Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a conversation about how to catch a bus to school. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story about Justin and Bonnie. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. Which door should you use to get off the bus? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comment section. All right, let's start the video.
Hi, Bonnie. Are you ready for your first bus ride to school?
Hi, Justin. I'm ready, but I'm afraid I will go to the wrong place.
Don't worry, I will help you. First, look at this tall metal pole. This is the bus stop.
I see many numbers on the sign. 405, 410, and 502. Which one is ours?
Our school bus is number 502. I'm pointing at the big number 502 right here. We must wait exactly here.
Should we stand close to the road?
No, that is dangerous. Look at this yellow line on the sidewalk.
Oh, I see it. It is painted on the ground.
Correct. Let's step back. Stand behind the yellow line. Stay next to the pole and wait.
Okay, I am standing behind the line and next to the pole now.
Bonnie, look! Our bus 502 is coming from the corner.
It is moving very fast. Will it stop for us?
It will only stop if you give a signal. Now prepare your right hand.
What should I do?
Step one step closer to the curb. Not too close. Now raise your arm high above your head.
I am raising my hand now. Like this?
Higher. You need to be clear. Now wave your palm left and right quickly.
I am waving as hard as I can. I think the driver is looking at me.
Good. Now make eye contact with the driver and smile.
Look! The bus is blinking its lights.
That means I see you. He is slowing down. You can put your hand down now. The bus is here. I hear the brakes. Don't hurry. Let the people get off first.
Okay, the front door is open. Should I go in now?
Yes. Walk to the front door. Now, let's step up the stairs. 1, 2, 3.
Good morning, Mr. Driver.
Good morning. Where are you two going?
2 students to the city high school, please. Bonnie, get your bus card out of your bag.
I am opening my bag now. My card is here. Where is the machine?
Look at the small black box next to the driver's seat. Do you see the blue light?
Yes, it is a blue circle.
Now touch your card flat on that circle, just for 1 second.
I am touching the card now. Like this?
Perfect. I hear the beep sound. Your balance is $20. Have a seat.
Thank you very much.
The bus is starting to move. Let's find a seat. Walk slowly and hold the handrails.
Whoa, the bus is moving. It's hard to walk.
Yes, keep holding the yellow poles so you don't fall. Look, there are 2 empty seats in the middle.
I will sit right here, next to the window. I like this seat. I can see the park outside.
Me too, but don't look outside only. You must listen to Mr. Driver.
Next stop, Central Library.
I hear him. He said Central Library, but that is not our school.
Right. We need to wait for 3 more stops. Let's sit back and relax.
Wait, look at the screen, Justin.
Next stop, City High School.
Correct. That is us. Now we must prepare to get off. Bonnie, you must tell the driver we want to stop.
Should I shout stop, please?
No, don't shout. Look at the yellow pole right next to your seat.
I see a small red button.
Now use your thumb and press that button firmly.
I am pressing the button now. Like this?
I hear the ding. Someone wants to get off.
Look at the front of the bus. A red light says, bus stopping. The driver knows now. The bus is slowing down. Stand up now. Hold the seat handle. We are going to the back door.
Why not the front door?
On the bus, people enter at the front and exit at the back. Let's walk to the middle of the bus.
Okay, I am standing in front of the middle door now.
Look at the light above the door. Wait for the green light. When it is green, the door will open.
The light is green, and the door is opening.
Now step down carefully to the sidewalk. Watch your step.
I am on the sidewalk now. Thank you, Mr. Driver. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Good luck with your study.
You did a great job, Bonnie. Now you can go to school by bus every day.
Thank you, Justin. It was a very interesting trip.
Through the conversation above, do you understand how to catch a bus now? If you already know, let's go back to today's question. Which door should you use to get off the bus? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with simple and practical expressions for daily life. I will keep uploading videos like this. So, if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time!